What if I told you that making hundreds of dollars is actually much easier than most people think? No, it's not about overnight riches or magical tricks. Instead, it's about using practical strategies that regular people use every day. The truth is, many of us are searching for secret shortcuts and in the process miss out on the opportunities right in front of us. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can start earning real money by providing value, learning simple skills, and taking consistent action. Let's dive in and discover how ordinary people are making extraordinary progress. Many people believe that the only way to make money is through a traditional job. They trade their time for a paycheck and stop there. But those who earn extra income understand a key principle: money follows value. The more value you create for others, the more opportunities you have to earn. Instead of asking, how can I make money? Try asking, how can I help someone solve a problem? This simple mindset shift can change everything about your financial future. It's not about working harder, but about working smarter and focusing on value. Trading time for money is common, but it's not the only way. When you focus on creating value, you open doors to new income streams. Think about the problems you can solve for others. Whether it's helping a neighbor with tech issues or designing a flyer for a local business, value is what people pay for. The more you help, the more you earn. This approach isn't just for entrepreneurs, it's for anyone willing to look for ways to be useful. Remember, every dollar you earn is a reward for solving someone's problem. You don't need a fancy degree to start earning online. Skills like video editing, graphic design, social media management, copywriting, and basic website creation are in high demand. Businesses and content creators are always looking for help. Pick one skill, practice it every day, and create some sample work. With just a few weeks of effort, you can start offering your services to clients. Even a small project can pay between $50 and $200. The key is to start learning and keep improving. Learning a high-income skill is just the beginning. The real progress comes from daily practice. Set aside time each day to improve your chosen skill. Create sample projects even if no one is paying you yet. This not only builds your confidence but also gives you a portfolio to show potential clients. The more you practice, the better you get, and the more you can charge for your work. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn extra income. Instead of waiting for an employer to hire you, you offer your services directly to those who need them. Start small, reach out to local businesses, content creators, or entrepreneurs. Show them examples of your work and explain how you can help. The first client is always the hardest to get, but once you do, referrals and more opportunities will follow. Freelancing gives you control over your time and income. Landing your first client can feel intimidating, but it's a crucial step. Start by reaching out to people you already know, friends, family, or local businesses. Offer to help them with a small project, even at a discounted rate. Use this opportunity to build trust and gather testimonials. Once you have your first project, it becomes much easier to attract new clients. Word of mouth is powerful, and satisfied clients often recommend you to others. Strong portfolio is your ticket to more clients. Collect examples of your work, even if they're just practice projects. Showcase your best efforts in a simple online portfolio or a PDF document. Make it easy for potential clients to see what you can do. As you complete more projects, update your portfolio regularly. This not only demonstrates your skills but also shows your growth over time. Creating digital products is another powerful way to earn hundreds of dollars. Think about templates, guides, checklists, ebooks, or printable resources. The best part, you create them once and sell them over and over. Focus on solving a specific problem for a specific audience. Simple solutions often work better than complicated ones. Digital products can generate passive income, freeing up your time for other projects. Not sure what digital product to make? Start by thinking about problems you've solved for yourself or others. Maybe you've created a helpful checklist, a budget template, or a simple guide. If it helped you, it can help others too. Research what people are searching for online and look for gaps you can fill. The simpler and more useful your product, the better it will sell. Once you've created your digital product, it's time to sell. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to reach buyers. Write a clear description and show how your product solves a problem. Share your product on social media and ask friends to spread the word. Over time, as more people find value in your product, your sales will grow. Remember, digital products can keep earning for you long after you've created them. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and other social media channels have made it possible for anyone to build an audience. You don't need fancy equipment, just useful information, consistency, and patience. As your audience grows, you'll find opportunities for advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Many successful creators started with nothing but a smartphone and a good idea. The key is to start sharing what you know and keep showing up. Building an audience takes time, but every follower counts. Focus on providing value with every post or video. Answer questions, share tips, and help people solve problems. As you build trust, your audience will grow naturally. Don't worry about going viral. Steady growth is more reliable and sustainable. Over time, your audience becomes your biggest asset. Once you have an audience, there are many ways to earn. Advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing are just a few options. Choose products or brands that fit your content and genuinely help your audience. The more value you provide, the more your audience will trust your recommendations. Monetization is a natural result of building a loyal following. Most people quit too soon. They try something for a week, see no results, and move on. But real success comes from consistent effort over months, not days. Don't chase every new trend or get distracted by shiny objects. Choose one path, stick with it, and focus on steady improvement. Small gains add up to big results over time. Consistency is the secret ingredient to success. Whether you're learning a new skill, building a business, or growing an audience, showing up every day makes all the difference. Progress might feel slow at first, but every small step moves you forward. Over time, your efforts will compound and you'll look back amazed at how far you've come. With so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The best approach is to pick one path and commit to it. Whether it's freelancing, digital products, or content creation, focus your energy on mastering one area. As you gain experience and confidence, you can always explore new opportunities. The key is to start and stay consistent. Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1, learn a valuable skill. Step 2, practice every day. Step 3, create examples of your work. Step 4, reach out to potential clients. Step 5, deliver excellent results. Repeat this process consistently. This is how ordinary people start making hundreds of dollars and eventually much more. The plan is simple, but it requires action. Start by choosing a skill that's in demand. Look for something that interests you and has real-world applications. There are countless free resources online, videos, tutorials, and forums to help you get started. The more you learn, the more valuable you become to others. Don't worry about being perfect, focus on making progress every day. Daily practice is what separates the successful from the rest. Set aside time each day to work on your chosen skill. Even 20 minutes a day adds up over weeks and months. Practice helps you build confidence and competence. The more you practice, the more opportunities you'll find to use your skills for income. Once you've practiced your skills, start creating examples of your work. These could be mock projects, sample designs, or short videos. The goal is to show potential clients what you can do. Don't wait for someone to hire you, take initiative and build your portfolio. Every example you create is a step closer to your first paid project. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients. Start with people you know, then expand to local businesses or online communities. Introduce yourself, share your portfolio, and explain how you can help. The more people you contact, the more likely you are to land a project. Persistence pays off, so keep reaching out. When you get your first project, focus on delivering excellent results. Go above and beyond what's expected. This not only impresses your client but also increases the chances of getting referrals and repeat business. Quality work speaks for itself and builds your reputation over time. The secret to growing your income is to repeat the process. Learn, practice, create, reach out, and deliver. Each cycle builds your skills, reputation, and income. Over time, you'll find it easier to attract clients and command higher rates. Consistency and persistence are your best friends on this journey. Remember, you don't need to be a genius or have special connections to succeed. Ordinary people achieve extraordinary results by following simple steps and not giving up. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small win adds up, and before you know it, you'll be making hundreds of dollars consistently. There's no perfect time to start, so why not today? Pick one skill, set a small goal, and take your first step. Action is the only way to create results. A year from now, you'll be glad you started today. The journey to earning hundreds of dollars begins with a single step. Ideas are great, but action is what makes them real. Don't get stuck in planning or overthinking. Take small steps every day and adjust as you learn. The more you do, the more you'll learn and improve. Action creates momentum, and momentum leads to results. Keep track of your progress as you learn and earn. Set milestones and celebrate small wins. This keeps you motivated and helps you see how far you've come. Tracking your journey also helps you identify what's working and where you can improve. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Mistakes are part of the process. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or failures. Each mistake is a lesson that brings you closer to success. Reflect on what went wrong, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. The most successful people are those who learn and adapt quickly. Confidence grows with experience. The more you practice and succeed, the more confident you'll become. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now and let your confidence build along the way. Every project, client, and sale adds to your belief in yourself. Networking isn't just for big businesses. Connect with others in your field, join online communities, and share your journey. Networking can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and valuable advice. The more people you know, the more doors will open for you. Technology makes earning money easier than ever. Use online tools, apps, and platforms to learn, showcase your work, and find clients. From video calls to project management apps, technology helps you stay organized and efficient. Embrace new tools to maximize your earning potential. Motivation can come and go, but discipline keeps you moving forward. Set clear goals, remind yourself why you started, and celebrate your progress. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep learning. When motivation fades, discipline and good habits will keep you on track. As you gain experience and confidence, look for ways to scale your income, raise your rates, offer new services, or create more digital products. Scaling doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, your income can grow steadily. Always look for ways to add more value. Don't rely on just one source of income. As you grow, explore multiple streams: freelancing, digital products, content creation, and more. Diversifying your income makes you more resilient and opens up new opportunities. The more streams you have, the more secure your financial future. Managing your time well is crucial. Use calendars, to-do lists, and time blocks to stay organized. Prioritize your most important tasks and avoid distractions. Good time management helps you get more done in less time, freeing up space for learning and earning. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Spend time and, if possible, a little money on learning new skills, tools, or courses. The more you grow, the more valuable you become. Investing in yourself pays the best returns over time. Everyone faces doubt at some point. It's normal to question yourself, especially when trying something new. The key is to keep moving forward despite uncertainty, trust the process, focus on your progress, and remember why you started. Doubt fades as you gain experience. Take time to celebrate your wins, big or small. Each milestone is proof that your efforts are paying off. Celebrating keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. Success is a journey, so enjoy every step along the way. The world changes quickly, and so do opportunities. Stay adaptable by learning new skills and being open to change. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot. Adaptability is a valuable skill that helps you thrive in any situation. One of the best ways to grow is by helping others. Share your knowledge, offer advice, or mentor someone just starting out. Helping others not only feels good but also strengthens your own skills and network. The more you give, the more you receive. Regularly review your progress and reflect on what's working. Set aside time each week or month to look back at your achievements and challenges. Reflection helps you learn from experience and plan your next steps more effectively. Never stop improving. The most successful people are always learning, growing, and adapting. Look for ways to upgrade your skills and offer more value. Improvement is a lifelong journey, and every step forward brings new opportunities. Making hundreds of dollars isn't about luck. It's about solving problems, developing skills, and taking action. Start today and focus on one skill, one client, and one opportunity at a time. A year from now, you'll be amazed at what you've achieved. Your journey to financial growth begins now. The path to earning hundreds of dollars is clear. Provide value, learn new skills, and take consistent action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and let your journey unfold one step at a time. The opportunities are out there waiting for you to take action. Remember, a year from now, you'll be glad you began today.